All right, let's go straight to my screen here. This video here on November 9th, 2023 is all about the fact that there is a scam going around. As you can see here, it's running on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger, all on Meta. And if I scroll down, it's Ace Hardware online store. And this fake Ace Hardware page, or no, actually it's an interest page. So this is just people who like Ace Hardware. It says that there's an Arabic term, blah, 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 blah. That's interesting why this page has so many likes and followers. I am surprised. Let's open this up and take a quick peek and see exactly what's going on here, because this is a little bit curious. Okay, it is a profile, not a page. Facebook used to have interest groups, so if you liked something, you would just like it as an interest. And I thought that's what this was, but this is something much different. And so I'm assuming a lot of these likes are fake. But let's go to About, Page Transparency. The page was created in 2014. And as you can see right here, locations, Indonesia and Pakistan. That's where this is coming from, these scams apparently. And its name was changed. Okay, so this did not begin as an Ace Hardware online store page. It began as something else, and they have taken over this, and it doesn't have a bunch of followers because of Ace Hardware, basically. So that is what this is. Now let's go back to the scam. Very interesting. Store closing and all that. And you probably saw this guy said, "Don't buy, it's a scam." And we might find other reviews just like that. Nope, these old posts from whatever this used to be. Okay, so here's what the scam is. Let me hit play on this.
Unboxing the Milwaukee in 18.
I'm going to turn it down because I don't have the rights to the music that's being played here. $39.99 to get this amazing Milwaukee tool set is what they're claiming here. And these tool set scams have been going around for a long time. Let me go ahead here. I don't think we need to see all this. We can kind of zip through this here. They're claiming you're going to get an amazing Milwaukee tool set with a saw. Wow. And, drills and whatever else. Unleash your productivity with our 18-volt lithium-ion cordless power tool combo kit. 7-tool. Get the power you need where and when you want it. It claims it's a factory clearance sale down here. Limited time offer. Don't miss it. It goes to Barderey, BARDEREY.com. There's another ad I found here. Looks like it's something similar. Is it the same thing? It's a little bit different. It's a little bit of a longer video. Different unboxing, I guess. So they stole people's unboxing videos of Milwaukee tool sets. And it says this one comes with an 18-volt, 7-tool lithium-ion cordless power tool combo kit. Way too good to be true for $39.99, basically, right? So I can pause that. And so I'm going to show you where these go. By the way, Meta's accepting money from scammers to run these ads. So Meta, Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, Messenger, the company that owns all those is Meta. They're accepting money from scammers. They're giving scammers a place to go to begin their scam so their scams can thrive. Isn't it wonderful that Meta does that? And by the way, Meta does this by the thousands every year. Thousands of scams Meta allows on their advertising platform. Not just as generic, general free posts. They accept money from scammers and allow them to run their scams. And what am I going to do? What are you going to do? We can't get Meta to stop doing this. They're just going to keep doing it. No one's going to stop them, and people are going to keep getting scammed, and there's no accountability because they're too big, right? They get billions of dollars in quarterly revenue, but they can't seem to stop scams on their advertising platform. Really strange, right? Anyway, they don't have any incentive. They're accepting money, right? So anyway, this is BARDEREY.com, the website that it went to. And it just says home and close at the top. This is going to be, actually, let me go back here. Let me click a link. Okay, so it goes specifically to this first if you click a link in the ad, which is interesting. Original floral printed round neck sleeveless dress. So it seems to me they're probably hiding the Ace Hardware part of this website because I don't see it here. Let me try this link, the second one. Nope, same thing, floral pattern. So the Ace Hardware stuff is hidden right now, perhaps. And there's a page on here somewhere. I don't see it, but they're going to pretend to be Ace Hardware, but they're cloaking it right now so I can't see it, which is interesting. About us. And it just says Barderey. Contact us and support at barderey.com. And I've seen this address before. Check this out. NOVVA Limited, flat 1512 15/F, Lucky Center, number 165-171, Wan Chai Road, Wan Chai, Hong Kong. And so these sorts of scams are going to be coming from Hong Kong, from China, basically. And that's not a surprise because when I looked up the domain, as you can see here, on the ican.org tool, it says this is created right here. September 18th, 2023. And that's less than 2 months before I'm making this video. And that's not a big surprise. Alibaba Cloud Computing in Hi China, a .cn domain. So China, it's coming from China, not a surprise. And yeah, so that's what I'm seeing here. That's what this is. This is not Ace Hardware. Don't fall for it. These Ace Hardware tools, factory clearance sales that you're seeing here on Facebook and Instagram and Audience Network and Messenger are big scams. Don't get involved with them. If you did get involved and you can't somehow contact the scammers, which sounds crazy, but they might actually, by law do something to help you. Not all scammers just try to take your money and run. Trust me, I've seen plenty of scams where for whatever reason, they will help you out so that they still have some shred of legitimacy so that maybe they don't get taken down. I don't know. But call your credit card company if you use a credit card or whatever payment method you use, and they should be able to help you out. That's what this is. This is going around. Stay far away from it. And over the holiday season coming up, there are going to be a lot of scams on Facebook and Instagram and ads that are going to claim you can get like front yard decorations for Christmas and lots of expensive looking things for the holidays for a very small price. And guess what? They're all scams. So avoid those. Make sure you're only shopping from stores that you can trust. Don't pull out your credit card and give it to, some website you never heard of that you didn't do any research into because you might really regret it, right? Regret, rather, if I can say the word regret. So that's what this is. Hit the like button down below, the thumbs up button that will tell Google and YouTube my video has value and credibility. To the right of the like button is a thanks button. And before you go, this really means a lot to me. If you check out the pinned comment down below, I'm going to have some information in there as to how you can support me. I make these videos to educate people. I show as much as I can. I try to make it simple, but also helpful at the same time. And you can tell probably by this video that I put a good bit of work into making sure that I showed everything that I found here. And even in the description down below and the thumbnail image and all the work to get the video out there, I hope that you can value that and maybe try to support me so that I can help other people not get scammed. Wouldn't it be a great world where we're helping people not get scammed instead of scamming people, right? That's what I'm going for. And I hope that you can potentially give something back, a tiny fraction of what you maybe would have been scammed for if you had been scammed. So I also want to say this. On my channel, I have abandoned places videos. I make New York history documentaries. I don't just make scam busting videos. I do concentrate primarily right now on scam busting videos, but I also try to do some creative projects, things that people might be more interested in watching because they have entertainment value. They're interesting. They aren't just boring videos about this is a scam, avoid it. So go check those out on my channel. Tennessee Wonderland is one of those videos that was really popular. New York Now and Then, or Then and Now. I can't remember which one it is. Check those out. And also there's the Abandoned Resort in Cayman Brac, in case you want to check that out. That is something that you might watch and really enjoy, considering the fact that it's a remote tropical island, an abandoned resort on that small remote tropical island that I was able to explore. And it's gone now, completely bulldozed. And the island is tiny, not many people at all. Really interesting video. So that's all this is. That is all I want to cover. Thank you for watching.